So, what is a programming? Well, it is the process of giving instructions to a computer so it can perform tasks for us. The computers, they are powerful, but they are not intelligent. They only do what we instruct them to do. Imagine teaching a robot what to do. You ask him to go forward, it's going to go forward. You ask it to go in this direction, it's going to go in this direction. You ask it to go in this direction, it's going to go in this direction. If it fails, it's going to fall. And this is exactly what a programming is. It follows a step by step instructions. So, what exactly is a program? Well, it is a set of instructions that is written in a programming language. So, suppose you have a programming language, and this is the instruction that's given to it. You're saying that put A as 2, put B as 5, and then you add A and B, and then you store the answer in result, and then you print out these results. So, these are my series of instructions. You feed these instructions, you feed this program to the computer, and the computer is going to take this instruction, it's going to convert into the language that it understands, which is zeros and ones, and then it's going to print out the result that would be 7. And that's what a program does. So what are different types of programming languages that are available out there? Well, there is R, Java, there is Go, Python, very popular. There's a C, C++, Perl, PHP, Fortran, just to name few of them. So, what can a programming do? Well, with programming, we can build mobile apps that you have all seen when you use your mobile phone. You can create websites. Every time you go to a website, those websites are created using programming language. You can analyze data. You can build artificial intelligence and machine learning models. You can even create video games, automate medical systems. So, these are just to name few examples. So, why should I learn Python instead of other languages? Well, first of all, it is easy to learn. This is the most important reason. Comparing it with the other languages, it has fewer symbols. It also has less confusing syntax, and it's also easy to read and write. That makes it perfect for beginners. In this particular instance, you do not need any programming background in order to understand Python. Python is also beginner friendly but very powerful. It is used by beginners and also professionals, scientists, AI engineers. Python also has a huge community and libraries. So Python has ready-made tools. These are called libraries. For example, NumPy. If you want to have fast numerical computation, you use NumPy. If you want to analyze your data, you want to use Pandas. If you want to plot graph for visualization, you want to plot your data, you want to see how your data looks like, you use Matplotlib library. This right here. What if you want to design some machine learning models, some AI models? Well, you can use scikit-learn. That's available too. How about if you want to perform some deep learning programs? You can do using TensorFlow, and PyTorch. In other words, you write less code and you build more powerful applications. And this happens because of all these libraries right here. So Python, it turns ideas into reality.